So we'll start from Bank Nifty. Okay, so today, as we discussed yesterday, you just place on recording. Okay. Okay, sir. Shall I start?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. See, sir. Yesterday we have already discussed that Bank Nifty is trading in a channel. Okay. As we discussed two or three times, if you'll see here clearly a buying momentum was seen every time whenever it is dipping near 31,000 level. Okay. And from a upside near 31,500 level, there is a sell off coming. Okay. So as I told you, in such scenario, what we have to do anytime if it is approaching towards support, towards the downside of the rectangular channel, we have to go buy. So today, see, we got a good entry at the lower levels. That
Mm-hmm.
entry is here. Clearly, it is visible here. This one here. Wait, let me just adjust the screen. This one here. This one the part. Today we got an entry here. Okay. After it yesterday I told you, see, this is a trader for a reversal trader. If we'll take an entry here. But as I told you, we were waiting for a good move, breakout move. So today can you see it is clearly visible that the breakout has been done.
Mm-hmm.
Last swing eyes of Bank Nifty has broken down. Now the upcoming target, if you will see the daily chart, na, will just move to the daily chart. This high has broken. I'll remove all the drawings. Wait, this one. Now see, this is the chart which has broken. So now sir, upside target is all-time high. That is 32,500. That is the immediate target in Bank Nifty. Okay. So we'll target here for a target of 32,500. And if in daily chart, if you'll see, na, there is a one pattern, clear a breakdown. Currently, Nifty is not that much bullish. Okay. Again, I'll repeat. Nifty is not that much bullish as compared to Bank Nifty. So now the time is to focus on financial sector. We have to jump on financial stocks and this one NBFCs. Sir, can you see this pattern? This is a flag and pole breakout pattern. Is it
Mm-hmm.
visible?
Mm-hmm.
This one. Okay, this is a flag and pole breakout pattern. See, there is a good breakout on daily charts. The pattern length is almost from 29,000 to somewhere near it is a high of 31,500. So technically, we can expect almost 1,500 to 2,000 point move from here. Okay, clear? So again, I'll repeat. It's simple thing. In Bank Nifty, we have to focus for next 1 to 2 weeks. It will be a game of financial sector. Okay. Now we'll jump into the Nifty chart. Whereas
Mm-hmm.
a Nifty, if we'll jump into Nifty, here it is. Nifty chart, similarly, yesterday we discussed, still our pattern is here. Cup and handle in 5 minutes if you'll see. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
See this one. So today, see, today due to some global negative news, little gap down came. After gap down, see, it took resistance. It took exact resistance at my trend line. Can you see it? After
Mm-hmm.
gap down sharply recover, it took resistance exactly at my trend line, again came back. And then again it is moving. But as I told you yesterday, this blue line, it was a clear support. So as long as it is not breaching, it's a clear buy on dips. And see what happened. In the afternoon session, it breaked. Again, it gave little dips and again finally it closed at highs. But what I feel that Nifty will be now little bit slow down from here because Reliance is not giving that much of move. Whereas financial sector is much more you can say strong. So we'll focus on banking stocks. Okay. So one of my today's pick was Axis Bank on that financial sector. That I'll show you Axis Bank where I captured it. This one, sir. It is here Axis Bank. If we'll see, first of all, we'll jump to daily chart. Okay. Can you see it's a clear breakout, sir? Actually, I am a breakout trader, as you know. So I'll show
Mm-hmm.
you again, same thing. Can you see the recent swing high has been broken? Here, see,
Wow.
got
Mm-hmm.
it. The
Yeah.
see the participants of the volume. The volume is almost much higher from last 10 to 15 days. Last time such volumes came near this level, big bullish candle. You can see on 11th November there was big volumes came up that day bullish. So see, after that a plenty like almost 10 to 20 days after a long time today big volumes came up. And what actually it did, same scenario it has done just like in Bank Nifty. It has broken out a channel, this one. It was also trading in a channel. See, now technically, sir, if you will see, this is a clear breakout. Now, what we have to do if we are thinking to like buy something Axis Bank or something, na? So it is like it may come to retest this breakout, but if it will break this high na today's high tomorrow, then again sharp up momentum can come. Technically my target in Axis Bank, if I'll see this channel, I'll show you. There is a supply zone. That supply zone is near here, 757 level. This one. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Last time also what happened? There was a rectangular channel here. See, is it visible or not in daily chart? It was trading in a range of 700 to 760. Okay, so 700 to 760. After that, once that channel got broke down, it fell down heavily. So what I feel that similarly now that sell-off can came in this zone only. So my initial target in Axis Bank will be near 700 to 760. This is the upside which we are viewing right now. Okay, got it. So today I just gave it due to this breakout part. Can you see it? It gave a breakout over 634. Once it broke previous
Yes.
swing high of 19 November, that 19 November high, can you check it? On the left side, that was 640. So it took that 640
Mm-hmm.
and I went long in Axis Bank. Got it? So this was a simple breakout trick. Another one, Apollo Hospital, sir. That another trade which outperformed. Same scenario there also. Apollo Hospital. This one. This one is future because technically I gave future. Okay. This one. Similar scenario, sir, if in Apollo Hospital you will see in 1 hour chart. This one. When I gave in the morning, I gave it near here. It one. First of all, let me check this one. It is not uploading that future chart here. Contact in front. Jan 2021. Now it will come up. Okay, this was here. So, sir, I gave Apollo Hospital in the morning where it broke this range. Actually, I'm a breakout trader, so similar range I'll show you. This one. In 1 hour range, after a long time, Apollo broke out this range. See there. Once that rectangular channel, again here, if you can see, it's a clear breakout. Okay. So I gave this Apollo with this breakout only itself. See, I gave it at BTST, near 2453 level. So this was the level. It broke high when it was, if you will see in 15-minute chart, it will be clear visible. Now see this one. Can you see it? This was the zone. It was trading and some volumes. I saw some volumes and from lower levels from 2397 levels, a sharp bounce came in a single candle in 15 minutes and it went up to 2444, means almost 50 point move in a single candle of 15 minutes. So clearly buying was visible. So I was waiting for breakout. So breakout was here. See this one. One level was here, previous swing high, and another one here near this level only. So sell off was coming from near 2440 level. Okay, so I was waiting for that level to broke out and sustain. Once that it broke out and Apollo sustained there, I gave it as long near 2453 level. Okay. Okay, sir. So after that, see how it performed. Another time, same scenario, flag and pole pattern, which is the most like my one of my favorite pattern. See this one. After some sharp up move, what stock will do? It will consolidate. It will consolidate. Okay, it will consolidate for a while and after that again it will move. So see, this was the another signal here. See, after a sharp up move, what happened? Apollo consolidated in the afternoon time. It consolidated, if you will see, for at least 1 hour it consolidated. Okay, after that again, see how volumes came up. Can you see the volumes, the peak in the volumes? From 2480 it went up to 2520, 40 points move. So clearly buying is visible, someone is buying. Okay, now, if you will see daily chart, that one of the most important chart, that is daily. There is a clear cut breakout in daily charts. See this one. So tomorrow it will be again our pick. If you will see, can you see? It is almost at resistance now.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it? One of the high peak is here and another one is here. If tomorrow Apollo is able to take today's high, na, then definitely we can expect a move of 50 to 100 points again. Done, sir, for this part.
Right.
This is
Yep.
just a view purpose educational video. We are not giving any buy or sell signals. Before taking any trades or anything, you need to contact your financial advisor.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Piyush. Thank you.
Okay, sir.